What's up, guys? This is Brandon with Leather World Technologies. We're working today with the Leathermaster Soft Cleaner. This is Leathermaster's gentlest cleaner and also what we recommend for a good maintenance cleaner. So yeah, let's get into it. This has been the Leathermaster Soft Cleaner. You can see that it has been butterscotch approved. She's already fallen asleep on it. Anyways, you can find the Leathermaster Soft Cleaner on our website, leatherworldtech.com. Please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out, and I will see you guys in the next one.